Hey there, kids and parents. We know it's been a little while, but guess what? We're back. We've been busy behind the scenes, getting everything ready so you can bake, cook, and create with us in the kitchen. We've got some awesome new recipes and tasty treats coming your way. So, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and get ready to cook up some tasty fun with us. Because the kitchen is about to get a whole lot more exciting.
That's right. We took a little break after our Easter special because we wanted to make sure we have all the right tools, safety gear, and recipes to make cooking safe and fun for everyone. And don't worry, we'll have plenty of helpful tips and tricks for parents too, so everyone can join in on the fun. Plus, we've added some new safety rules to keep those little paws and fingers safe while we whip up our creations. We can't wait to share all our new creations with you, so stay tuned and keep those aprons ready. See you soon. Happy cooking, everyone.